What is up, and welcome to Day-to-Day Ray with me, your girl Ray Ray. Hey, hi, how's it going? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. So today's video should be super simple, easy cupcakes. I am making my friend's eldest daughter some Paris theme cupcake toppers for her cupcakes. I'm going to be doing a strawberry cupcake, and I ordered from Amazon. I really like these because you guys know that I love foil, and I prefer foil cupcake liners only because the colors don't bleed. You get the paper ones, they're really cute, but you gotta like double them up for you to even see the pattern, and half the time they always end up coming out and it's just a pain in the butt. So I find these on Amazon. These are only like $8 or $9, something like that. Like some sellers have them for $8, some sellers have them for $9, but they're like a variety rainbow. So I'm actually gonna do these in the hot pink and black, and I might do silver as well. Still debating, but I'm going to be using these cupcake liners and make strawberry cupcakes because I'm told she loves strawberry cupcakes. And I'm going to be using pink, white, and black sprinkle mix. You guys know how I do with the sprinkles. And I think I'm just going to do like 12 cupcake toppers, and then I'm just going to do 12 with just the sprinkles. And I think that'll be really cute and fun. And basically what I'm going to do is I got these off of Etsy, and you guys know how I like to stencil. And yeah, so I'm literally just going to use these and stencil them using airbrush color, black airbrush color with extra vodka so it dries quickly. And I'm just going to use my sponge and sponge them. I'm going to be making them in hot pink, and I'm going to be making them in white, and all the stenciling is going to be done in black. So I thought these were really super cute. So it has like a little girl walking a poodle that says ooh la la, and then we have a bon appetit, and then we have je t'aime Paris. So I'm going to be using these. Like I said, I got these from Etsy. I did see them on eBay and stuff like that, but they were like a little bit more expensive, which was really weird. I don't know, but I'm going to be using these to make the cupcake toppers. We'll make the cupcake toppers first, and I'm going to bake the cupcakes tomorrow. I actually have to get a couple more ingredients. I'm running kind of low on some stuff, but yeah. So on that note, you guys know what I'm doing. I'm going to get to it, and I hope you enjoy. I'll see you soon. guys, that is going to wrap it up for these Paris theme cupcakes. I think they came out super well. Let's pick them up. I did a lot of sprinkles. I did some with minimal fondant, and then I did some, of course, with the fondant toppers, and then I just did some with sprinkles and frosting because not everybody likes fondant. So, like I said, I think they came out really, really good, and they're gonna match her bedroom because her bedroom's done in hot pink and black and white with the whole Paris theme. So, yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and enjoyed it. I do like using stencils on cakes and fondant. It can be a little tricky, but the more you do it, like I feel like the worst stencil was the Bon Appetit one because for some reason it was like so much detail and there wasn't enough space for me to put my fingers down and hold it, and it just kept moving and it kept bleeding. There was a couple of the Eiffel Tower ones that messed up, but for the most part they came out really good, but the Bon Appetit was the worst one to do. But I still think they came out good. I still think that she'll like it, and if not, love it. And yeah, so again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and remember, as always, please be kind because you don't know what kind of battle someone's going through, so don't be a dick. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.